ESR Engineering College. How are you?
So they're gonna sample you some cans.
Sure.
Take a snap.
Tanya, how are you?
Good to see you.
Great to see you both here. Thank you. Sorry?
How do they contact you?
Through YouTube.
What?
Through YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think we gave your name for the OL. So did you get your case yet?
No. Yeah. Thank you.
No. Exit में चल पड़ा आ देते. So that way, sir.
Sure. Thank you.
Bring the bike.
Sure.
One round, sir.
Sure.
Grab the bike.
Thank you. Yeah?
Very sorry, buddy. I took some wrong way and went some 30 kilometers away. But I was still enjoying the ride, so I thought, let's go. Somewhere else. Particular event where Driven Cafe is with us is only because of Vikas Rajmala. Vikas Rajmala always holds a big name in YouTube. He is a YouTube ambassador. YouTube ambassador means it's globally known man. And it is his modesty that he is so simple along with us over here. And definitely beating my age. And hopefully MVSR biking club, we have Supra and as well as Baha here. And go-karts and Manager with Krishna Reddy and other teams of Baha are there. Hopefully they will associate with you. And young engineers, definitely engineers rocking the cranks are always there with you, sir. Please see to it you are a part and parcel of MESR from now onwards. Yeah, thank you very much.
So my friends, everyone, if you can hear me, thank you first of all for inviting me to this wonderful event. Thank you everyone. And well, I mean, sir has said many great words about me, but nothing. I'm just a simple person who rides motorcycle, drives cars and makes some videos on it. So, and also I would like to apologize. I was supposed to be here by 10 a.m. and it's what, 1 o'clock now?
No issues from our end, no issues.
Yeah, I got lost. I took some wrong route, but then I realized it's about the journey, not about the destination. Keep riding. So I went there and I got back there again. So thank you. So I mean, I thought I'll bring my motorcycles over, which I've worked on, the Yamaha R1, the GSX-R 1000. But the only thing is that the traffic was just a bit too much, and they heat up a lot, as you know that. I mean, they barely behaved very well today, but those motorcycles heat up too much, so I did not get them. I'll try and see if tomorrow, if it's possible, if I can get a trailer or something, I can put my... That's a very exclusive R1. It's Generation 1, 2000 model. It's a limited edition, so I'll try and get it over. And that's it from my side. I guess if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you, sir.
Rajesh was the person who was saying Vikas from day one. He's still young, he's only around 22 years or 23 years of age. I want to hide my age, that's why I was telling you a bit lower. But Rajesh, you can just...
I'm very happy with your presence, sir. Thank you so much. On behalf of our students, I want to thank you very so much because with your presence, our face went to the very high end. Thank you so much.
I have a question to the Vikas Rajmala, sir. Sir, which is the best vehicle you liked so far and why? What are the parameters or what are the things you liked in that vehicle?
Would that be a motorcycle or a car? Sure. Yeah. I mean, asking which motorcycle you like the most is like asking, which good friend do you like the most. I am someone who rides right from 100cc or even any motorcycle who's got, which has got an engine and two wheels, all the way till a hyper bike like a ZX or anything.
So, what are the things you would like to say for the girls who want to be a good rider? Like, we would like very much like trying to ride different types of vehicles, but
That's a very, very good question. I mean, India is one of those countries where women love to ride, but they kind of are conservative about it. They're still thinking. And she said, a great rider like me, I'm not a great rider, I'm still learning, so. All right. I mean, well, first of all, the safety gear. That is what I always say. It doesn't matter what level of rider you are. You could be someone who's just learning to balance a motorcycle, or you could be a national champion. But get your riding gear safe, because anyone can fall. It is just unfortunate event. So get your helmet, get your jacket, knee protection. I'm wearing knee protection, by the way. It's under my pants. And shoes. No sandals. I know women like to wear high heels. Even I like to look at high heels when women wear it, but not when you're on a motorcycle. No, it doesn't help. So wear proper shoes. And then, of course, we have training schools today in Hyderabad, like motivation track days. So I learned majority of my riding there. You can join and they would teach you right from engaging a gear, engaging clutch, and that too not on the road, in a closed circuit. So that is what you can do.